The Suncast Hose Reel Hideaway Box 225-foot hose capacity with Smart Track Hose Guide, durable resin construction in a brown wicker-style look. If your yard looks messy when hose is just strewn around, this model aims to hide it and make cleanup easier. The outer box uses a resin material, which means it should resist weather damage and fading. The Smart Track Guide is a feature that lets the hose wind unwind smoothly using a crank handle. It helps avoid kinks and tangles. There's also a tight seal connection between the reel and the hose to avoid leaks. Dimensions are about 22.4 by 21 by 21.5 inches, and the box weighs around 18 pounds. Because it holds up to 225 feet of hose, this is suited to large yards or situations where hose reach is a problem. It also keeps things compact despite the large hose capacity due to the box design. Users who have reviewed this model are generally happy with how clean it keeps the yard, the ease of winding, the material holding up under sun and rain. However, some mention that the crank handle can get tiring if you have to unwind a lot. Also, when fully loaded, the weight and size may make moving or installing more challenging. As for price, this kind of hideaway reel tends to be in the higher range for hose reel boxes, given the capacity and features. Though I don't have the exact current list price here, expect a premium. If you're okay with the price, it delivers on design, functionality, leak prevention, and yard aesthetics. If you want to get this one, we share by links in description box. See you next time, and keep those gardens neat.